Alright guys, my name is Aditya Kharadkar and welcome back to the Brainstorm Codings. In this video, I want to talk to you about the pointers in Golang. But before that, let's understand the concept of variables. So a variable is a name given to a particular memory location where the actual data is stored. Now if you want to access the stored data, you should know that memory address. So all the memory addresses are in the hexadecimal format, and to remember all the memory addresses is quite impossible. So that's why we use the variables. Now why do we use the pointers? So a pointer is a special variable in Golang which is used to store the memory address of another variable. Let's see how do we declare the pointer variable. So we use the var keyword, then the name of the pointer variable, and then we use this dereferencing operator, which is the asterisk. So this is called as a dereferencing operator we used before the data type we want to have for our pointer variable. So we use this dereferencing operator to declare the pointer variable and also to access the value which is stored in the memory address. But before that, let me create a variable. This variable holds the value 48. Now I will assign this variable a to this pointer variable. Now we use the address operator, and this address operator returns the address of a variable. So I will use the variable a. So here we are storing the memory address of the variable a into this pointer variable s. Now let's see what we have in the variable a. Let's see the value which is stored in the variable a. So we use the println function. So value stored in variable a is. If I run this code, as declared but not used, we have to use it. So let's see what we have in the variable s also. So value stored in variable s. Now if I run this code, so the value stored in variable a is 48 and the value stored in variable s is this hexadecimal number, which is the memory address of variable a. Now if we want to check the memory address of variable a, we can use the address operator. So let's again have this println function. So the memory address of variable a is. Let's use this address operator and then the name of the variable. If I run this code now, you can see the value which is stored in the variable s is same as the memory address of variable a. So you can see we have used this pointer variable to store the memory address of variable a. Now if you want to check the memory address of our pointer variable, then again we can use the address operator. So memory address of variable s is, let's use this address operator and then the name of the variable. If I run this, so this is the memory address of our pointer variable, and obviously this is different from the memory address of pointer variable, not pointer variable, the memory address of variable a and the value which is stored in the pointer variable. So we have the memory address of variable a, then we have the value stored in the pointer variable, and we have the memory address of our pointer variable as well. You can even access the value which is stored in the variable a using the pointer variable and using the dereferencing operator. So let's again use this print line function. The value in variable a is, so let's use this dereferencing operator and then the name of our pointer variable, which is s. Now if I run this, so the value in variable a is 48. So you can see, even if we don't use the name of the variable, name of the actual variable which we have assigned to the pointer variable, we can even get the value which is stored in that variable by just using the dereferencing operator and our pointer variable. Now we can even change the value stored in this variable a by using your pointer variable. Now you know that by using the dereferencing operator and the name of the pointer variable, we can access the value which is stored in the variable a, and using the same thing, the dereferencing operator and the pointer variable name, we can change the value which is stored in the variable a. So if I use this dereferencing operator, then the name of the pointer variable, and if I set it to 500, and if I print the value stored in variable a, you can see now the value stored in variable a is 500. Before this it was 48, but now we have changed the value using the dereferencing operator and the name of the pointer variable. So this is how you can use the pointer variable to store the memory address of another variable and to get or to access the value which is stored in another variable. So that's all about pointers. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.